The today's subject is straight technique to awaken Kundalini. Simple will to awaken Kundalini is more than enough to awaken Kundalini. Understand? Simple will to awaken Kundalini is more than enough to awaken Kundalini. Kundalini is, after all, your own potential energy which resides in you, which can be awakened just by you. Simple will and instruction to yourself that let the Kundalini be awakened can be the straight technique to awaken the Kundalini. You may think, how can this be? Because you never had trust over your will. Many times your will failed in the outer world because of the clash of wills with the world. When too many wills clash, it may fail sometime. Because of the outer failure, you slowly lost trust over your very will. Understand? In the outer world or in the inner world, the will fails only when the clash of wills is there. Because you failed in the outer world will, you lost trust over your will even in the inner world. I tell you, simple will can awaken your Kundalini Shakti intensely. You don't need anything. It is your own energy, your own power. It's like if your hands are tied for 2 years, you forget you can lift and move your hands as you want. You can lift and move your hands as you want. I tell you, there was a research. Some animals which are kept in cage for a long time, even if the cage is opened, they are not interested in going out because of the habit. Habit, very powerful word. If you remove the H, a bit will be there. If you remove A, bit will be there. If you remove B, it will be there. Only if you remove the I, it will die. That word itself shows the strength of the engram. Simple will is powerful enough to awaken your Kundalini. the Kundalini Shakti in your system, waiting to listen to you. It's not that you need to do something big. See, you need Kundalini because you don't have energy. You need to have energy to awaken Kundalini means it's just unfair. So all you need to awaken your Kundalini is simple will. Understand? In the outer world, if your will fights with too many wills, it will die. In the inner world, same thing. If your will has too many wills, it will create problem. Your will has to fight with too many wills, it will fight. It will disturb itself. So understand, even in the inner world, your will needs to be integrated. Don't have too many wills. That's what I call simple will. The lap in which you sleep every day, the energy which wraps you around completely, encompassing, just like the hug of the master. Tell your own Kundalini Shakti, be awakened, that's all. The Devi, Kundalini, is waiting inside just for your request. Request, your simple will awaken the Kundalini Shakti. We will work on awakening of the Kundalini Shakti through simple will. Let us experience Kundalini Shakti just by simple will. Let you all achieve and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
All that I smell